Quick little video, you guys, up at the junkyard, and I am going after these window garnish moldings. I'm going to show you the process to get them off. They used to live right there. All right, let's get at it. Okie dokes, Civic EM2 Coupe, the 7th generation, 01 to 05. I want these window trim garnishes. They look like this. I pulled this off a Sedan. I knew they weren't going to be the same, but I wanted to get a sneak peek at what was behind them on a car that I wasn't worried about. And it's a shame because look at the shape these are in. These things are absolutely gorgeous. Just gorgeous. But these are not half bad. Better than mine. But what you want to do is start with a little pry tool up here at the top, and you pry it up. I already started. I'll show you on the other side. But you pry up gently, and in looking at these, it looks like these clips actually slide. So I thought maybe we should do a little pulling and sliding motion, and you see that movement there. Hopefully that helps us get these off in one piece, and it looks like I did. There's our little blue clips that are left behind, and here's these pieces intact. So they are a little bit different. It just looks like they're these little clips compared to the Sedan. Okay. Ooh, dirty. So I'm going to be checking every single coupe here and getting the best set. Getting these guys off is a matter of prying that little piece and moving the clip so that it'll come off. See how they're locked in place, so what you have to do is unlock this little part here and slide it. Okay, be mindful of this little rubber piece here to go up under it. You don't want to damage that. See, we just lift up and kind of work it. Okay. Now this little rubber piece is let loose. Make sure it's there on the other one, and it is on the other one. So be mindful you don't lose this. You cannot get these from the dealership anymore. Let's see about getting some of these clips off. I'm hoping y'all can see this. See this little tab? You lift it up and you wiggle the little guy forward and see he comes off. Do it again here. I hope it was not blurry. Gentle now. Lift it up. Clean your mush out. There. See, as long as it's sticking up, then you can move it forward. It's designed here on the back with an open cavity. You're pushing that little tab in there. This looks like a nail head. There. Looks like a little nail head. So you're pushing it so that little tab there lifts up enough to get off and let the nail looking head go under and slip into that open cavity there, right here. And then it comes off. Okay, I'm going to do the rest. All right, you guys, I grabbed a handful. Not taking that one. These things are discontinued, and I figured it can't hurt to grab some spares just in case I ever need them. And I can do some experimenting. See, some of them are a little blemed, and I may work on trying to buff them and polish on the blem ones and see what happens. But give me some comments about if y'all know a source of these anymore besides the dealership, since they are unobtainium. Maybe there's some of them in Japan somewhere that are new old stock. All right, y'all, let me know. Windshield surrounds. Those are the nicest out of the whole group from what I pulled today, except for that. So those others will give me a chance to experiment. And then I can figure out if I can get that blem out. But yeah, definitely taking that with me. Yeah, so that's how many of these I pulled. These were all at pull apart, and then I went to a second junkyard and found these. And they are by far the best. There you go. You can see what much better sheen on them, much shinier. So these will probably be the ones that I'm going to run. I'll see about experimenting with these, see how well I can restore them. This one's got kind of a weird bluing cast to it. Some of these are so-so, but for right now, these seem to be the winner. I hate it has a blem there, but I'll use these to experiment to see if I can figure out a way to fix that. So, yeah, when the only ones you can find are selling for like $275 or 260 something on eBay a piece. Yeah, I mean, I didn't even pay what OEM was charging for all of these. So, yeah, I'll collect them, hang on to them if I need them, maybe sell them, I don't know. But, yeah. So if you like the video explaining how to take these off so that you can rescue your own if need be, since now they're discontinued, like, subscribe, share. You know, I'm trying to put more of this stuff out here. A, for me, so that I remember how to do this stuff when the time comes, when I get my windshield done. As well as for you guys, so that y'all know these are really pretty simple. As long as nobody glues them onto the car, they're very simple to remove if you're careful and patient. Okay, that's all. Okie doke. Y'all take care. Bye.